In this video, we are going to talk about Excel's advanced filter, and also we are going to talk about a new feature of filters which is available in latest versions of Excel only. Suppose this is what we require. Want to apply filter which shows data for server 1 with drive C, server 1 with drive D, or server 2 with drive C. So this is the data which we want to filter out. So click anywhere in this selection in this list, then go to data, then advanced filter, then select this much of data. For a criteria range, select this much of data. Remember the server names should be the column names should be same. It should be server and server here also. It should be drive here and drive here also, else it will not work. Click on OK. Now we can see that the filtering has taken place and we can clear advanced filter by clicking on this, going to this menu data, then click on clear button. There is one more new feature. So suppose this is my data on which I'm going to apply some filter. So right now I've selected for server 2, server 5 and server 6. Now I also want to add some of the servers which are starting with the which contains word as server. So I'll click on server. I filter with this word server. It will be finding for Unix server, Windows Server 1, Windows Server 2. So rather than clicking on OK, I have to click on this add current selection to filter. So whatever current is selected, that will also be added to the old existing filter. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.